If you're like me, you may have started blocking out your environment using Unity's Probuilder, but you would like to do some additional editing and take it further without getting rid of all of your hard work and your blockout. This is where converting your Probuilder object to UModeler X comes into play. Welcome to Indie Game Hustle. I create videos that are designed to help you learn about new tools and hopefully encourage you. If you enjoy this video, consider clicking on that subscribe button and leaving a comment. Alright, back to the video. All you have to do is select your Probuilder Mesh, go over to the hierarchy panel, and right-click on the selected Probuilder Mesh. Go down to UModeler X and select UModelize. You can choose either option. And to take it further, with your new UModeler X object selected in the inspector, go to the surface group and select the quantify tool. Here, you should select all face and then click quantify. Now your game object is all quads and it's ready for additional editing. Let me know in the comment section if that was helpful. And also don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the newest methods and tools. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.